Hello and welcome to this review of the MSI GK71 Sonic mechanical keyboard. This keyboard has been designed with gamers in mind, offering a range of features and functionality to help take your gaming experience to the next level. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what this keyboard has to offer, including its build quality, features, and performance. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the build quality of the MSI GK71 Sonic. This keyboard features a brushed aluminum frame that feels solid and durable. The keys themselves are made of a high-quality plastic material that feels very nice to the touch. The keycaps are double-shot injected with a textured surface, providing a better grip for your fingers. The keyboard also features RGB lighting, which can be customized using the MSI Dragon Center software. The lighting looks great, and the colors are bright and vibrant. You can choose from a variety of preset lighting modes or customize your own. Moving on to the features, the MSI GK71 Sonic is a 10-keyless keyboard, meaning it doesn't have a number pad on the right side. This design allows for a more compact keyboard that takes up less desk space, making it ideal for gamers with limited space. However, if you do need a number pad, you can purchase the MSI GK701 separately and connect it to the keyboard. The keyboard also features Cherry MX RGB red switches, which are known for their linear and silent operation. These switches are great for gaming, as they allow for fast and accurate key presses without any distracting clicking noises. Another great feature of the MSI GK71 Sonic is the ability to assign macros to any key on the keyboard. This can be done using the MSI Dragon Center software, which is very easy to use. You can also assign up to 3 profiles to the keyboard, allowing you to switch between different settings quickly. Now let's talk about performance. The MSI GK71 Sonic feels great to type on, with the Cherry MX RGB red switches provide a satisfying tactile response. The keyboard also has a very fast response time, thanks to its 1 millisecond polling rate. This means that every keystroke is registered quickly and accurately, with no delay or lag. Overall, the MSI GK71 Sonic mechanical keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers who want a high-quality keyboard with great features and performance. Its solid build quality, customizable RGB lighting, and Cherry MX RGB red switches make it a joy to use for gaming or typing. And at around £100, it's also reasonably priced, making it a great value for the money. So, there you have it, our review of the MSI GK71 Sonic mechanical keyboard. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching.